Hello everyone. Today I will explain you how to convert your units into decimal. I have written 4 questions. Express as rupees using decimal, and your question is 5 paisa. Okay. So you have to convert into rupees. You know that in 1 rupee there are 100 paisa. Okay. Same way in 1 paisa is equal to 1 upon 100 rupee. 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa and 1 paisa is equal to 1 upon 100 rupee. So what you have to convert? You have to convert your paisa into rupees. In question it is given 5 paisa. Okay. 1 paisa is equal to rupees 1 upon 100. Therefore 5 paisa is equal to 1 upon 100 multiplied by 5. 5 ones are 5 upon 100. This already I have explained you. 2 zeros are there in denominator. So from your right hand side you will count 2 values, 1, 2 and mark decimal. So this is your solution. So 5 paisa is equal to 0.05 rupees. Okay. Come on, second question. Express as meter using decimal. Your question is 24 meter and 45 centimeter. See, this is 24 meter and you have to convert in meter. You cannot convert meter into meter. It is already meter. So you have to convert this much part only. This portion you will convert. Okay. Again, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meter. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meter. So you have to convert 45 centimeter. So 45 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 multiplied by 45. What you will get? 45 ones are 45 upon 100. Okay. So 45 upon 100 is equal to 0.45 meter. Okay, 0.45 meter. 2 zeros. So from right hand side you will count 2 values and mark 1 point. So this is 24 meter and this we have converted into 0.45 meter. So what you will get finally? 24.00 plus 0.45. So you will get 24.45 meter. So finally you will get 24 plus 0.45 is equal to 24.45 meter. This is your solution. Okay. Now come on question number the second. First I have done third one. Express as kilometer using decimal. Again same. Only you have to learn the unit. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Same way 1 meter is equal to 1 upon 1000 kilometer. So you have to convert it into kilometer. So 88 meter is equal to 1 upon 1000 multiplied by 1 upon 1000 multiplied by 88. Okay, we are converting it to kilometer. So 88 upon 1000. This will give you 0.088 kilometer. You can see here 3 zeros are there. So from right hand side I have count 3 values. 1, 2, 3. Third value was not there, so I have marked as 0. Decimal, then 0. So 0.088 kilometer. Express as kg using decimal. Again same, only you have to learn unit. This is 5 kg and this is 8 gram. You cannot convert kg, okay? Only you have to convert 8 gram into kilogram. So now I am writing direct unit. 1 gram is equal to 1 upon 1000 kilogram. 1 gram is equal to 1 upon 1000 kilogram. So 8 gram is equal to 1/1000 multiply by 8. So what you will get? 8/1000. Again 3 zeros. Okay, 3 zeros means after 3 values we will mark point. 0.008 what? Kilogram. 0.008 kilogram. Now 5 kg and 8 we have converted into kilogram. So finally what we will do? We will add 5 kg plus 0.008 kg will give you 5.008 kg. This is your final answer. Okay, and this is very simple. You can do directly also. You can learn to convert gram into kilogram. Directly divide by 1000 also. 3750 to convert it into kilogram. I will divide it by 1000. I will divide it by 1000. 0 to 0 cut. Now 2 zeros are there. So I will count 2 values and mark point. So 3.75 kg. This is your solution. Okay. Only you have to learn units and this method. Almost method for all the question are same only. Method is same. Okay.